Hello Leo, this is your December 2021 reading. Sorry, I'm little bit late here. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you have Leo in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, you can watch this video. So keep in mind that this is a general reading. So yeah, don't force it to fit into your situation. So take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. So let's start shuffling for you, Leo. Okay, one more time. So Leo, what we have for Leo? Okay, strength is your card. This is a Leo card. Is your overall energy. Two of Swords, Three of Cups and the Seven of Swords. Queen of Wands. Maybe Leo, it's your, so Leo, this is your card here, strength, and we have also Two of Swords and Seven of Swords, which is showing air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. We have also Three of Cups, which is showing Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It's definitely some trickery energy, some cheating or some third party is definitely involved here. Okay, so that's why you are on crossroads and confusing state of mind, and also you just keeping a strength in yourself and just tackling everything, just your situation in a very, very well manner, or in a very good, you are showing a very good gesture, whichever is doing this or whatever is happening around you, which is showing you that something which is not good is happening to you. That's why you are feeling this Two of Swords. Okay, so yeah, so Seven of Swords is clearly telling me that some situation, like some trickery situation or some dishonesty, some manipulation, some deception, cheating is definitely involved here, and also some third party is also involved in your situation. So that's why the angels are telling you that just keep this strength. And also maybe it's your love situation, or it could be your career or business or your family situation. But yeah, whatever is happened to you, you are just feeling very confused nowadays, whether it's your recent past or it is going to happen. It's Queen of Wands. You have to make yourself strong, Leo. You have to make yourself strong, because you know the truth already. You know the truth, whatever the person you are dealing with, whatever the situation you are dealing with. So that's why Seven of Swords here is appearing. And it's not always about like cheating and dishonesty and some manipulation or deceit, but it is also that someone is not sure about how they feel for you. Okay, how to make an effort towards you, or maybe this person is just not feeling that to share something with you or very vocal with you. Okay, like they are not sure about you. This person is not sure about you, and you know that they are not sure about you. You are feeling your intuition is telling you that something wrong is happening, something wrong has happened. Take what resonates with you as per your situation. So third party is not only about person. Maybe it's your family, Maybe it's your career, maybe it's your money, maybe it's your own choice, maybe it's your own profession, it's your own choice. Okay, definitely. But yeah, it's not a good card here. The Two of Swords is also telling me that you are on crossroads right now. Like, you are thinking that wherever I have to go, like what path I have to choose. You are in dilemma, some dilemma, like whether I have to leave this person, leave this situation or not. So whatever here, with this strength, is telling you that whatever is meant to you, it will definitely happen. If it's not meant, then definitely it is not going to happen. So Leo, this is your card, and it's the strongest one for me. The strength is very it is coming from Major Arcana, and this is the card itself, your card, and you are handling this situation very well. This anger, look at this lion and this lady. Okay, number 8, the loop. You are just stuck in a pattern in your life, so that's why you are in this situation, this crossroad. I'm getting that vibe that you are trusting someone which is not new. You're always trust on this person regularly. This is your pattern. You have to break this cycle, because you know that person, that situation, that environment is not good for you. Someone has involved here in your situation with this 3 of Cups, with this Queen of Wands. Okay, someone has definitely interrupting your situation. Definitely some hands is involved here. That's why you are in some kind of deception. Okay, the moon energy is also here. Look at this, the moon, which is showing me some deception. You are in some kind of deception, which is just forcing by someone to believe, but you have to know that the overall hidden story around that. So that's why you will just use your intuition, use your mind, use your inner feeling. Okay, whatever they are forcing you to believe. Deception is nothing but a, the situation which is an illusion is creating around you, and you know already that this is some trickery energies around happening in your environment, and this is nothing just corrupting your mind and creating a lots of chaos, conflict. Okay, I will see one card as a message and guidance for you, Leo. Definitely something has happened which already you know about this already. Okay, definitely some hands is involved here, which is influenced others, manipulating others, or something like that. Okay, 2 cards is coming out. Page of Wands and the 7 of Pentacles. You are going to receive some message, some communication, some call from someone which you are thinking or worrying about. You are just, look at this 7 of Pentacles. You are just thinking, standing and just thinking always. Look at this Pentacles. Maybe it's your money situation. You are watching, just waiting for the right time with the 7 of Pentacles. And maybe it's a situation where you think that whatever has happened to you, you are just still thinking about that situation. Maybe it's your recent past situation, which is. So yeah, this card is also telling me that you are thinking about some situation again and again in your life. You want some clarity from this Page of Wands. Definitely some clarity is coming towards you, because this is a messenger card, and whatever you are waiting for or whatever you are thinking again and again, you want some clarity from someone, some person or some situation. So that's why you are on crossroad, and definitely it is coming towards you with this Page of Wands. Okay, look at this. I have just said about clarity. So Ace of Wands is also a card of Wands energy. It's a very fiery and just you are going to get this clarity with this Ace of Wands. Okay, it's also fire energy, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Some new beginnings, some new opportunities, whatever is troubling you nowadays or in your recent past, it is going to be this Ace of Wands. It's a very good card which is appearing in your reading. Aces is a new all about new beginnings, and yeah, some new leaves is appearing, some new leaves is going to grow into your life. The cloud is also here, so you are unable to see this, you are unable to see this new beginning, which is very passionate. So fiery energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lots of wands here. Look at this Knight of Wands. If you are watching for your career, then it's a very great opportunity. Some very great good news is coming towards you. Maybe it's a small one, because Page of Wands, pages are very, maybe it's a small one, a step forward, but yeah, Ace of Wands. Stay strong, don't doubt yourself, because of this people, okay, who is giving you this type of state of mind, who is giving you this state of mind, Two of Swords. Okay, so yeah, at last this is a very good card which is appearing for you, Leo. So yeah, some messages coming towards you, okay, which is very passionate, or which is very, a Knight of Wands. And look at this wands here, wands here. Definitely some new beginning is happening here, some new small leaves. Look at this, the small leaves here is going to be a start. Just leave that situation. This is your, just your thinking. Just don't think negative and handle your situation very well, because we have received this strength here. Okay, so stay positive and think positive, and just don't doubt yourself. You will definitely getting this Ace of Wands. Okay, so thank you, Leo. This is your reading, and if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.